awardees and visitors. A pleasant morning to everyone. First of all, I want to say that it's incredible. I'm gladly surprised and grateful. Having achieved this honor the last quarter, I was already astonished. But now, having attained this award for a second time with a lot of doubt in myself, serves as a testament to the Bible verse that I stand for. Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Second quarter is over, and we are also approaching the end of the year 2024. We are indeed blessed for surpassing all the challenges, no matter how hard and difficult they were. We made it well accomplished. So, I'd like to thank everyone who stood by our side, helping and supporting us to reach this far. First and foremost, to our Almighty God, the one I would run to when I would feel the weight of the earth on my shoulders, the one who gave us the wisdom and strength to be here. Second, to my family. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for your love and support. Thank you for your sacrifices and efforts. Without you, I wouldn't be where I am today. To my ate and kuya, thank you for your advice and guidance, and also for the wonderful memories with Bunso that made me not give up in gloomy moments. You guys are my role models. To the SIA community, thank you for the wonderful experiences that cared and nurtured every student here. To all the teachers and mentors, thank you for your support and guidance, especially to my advisor, Ma'am Jeninia, na palagi kami pinapagalitan dahil magulo at pasaway. We know you simply want the best for us. So for that, thank you. I want to apologize to all our teachers dahil magulo at maingay kami sa mga klase. We deeply appreciate all of your efforts and love for us. You all made a positive impact in our lives. Also, I want to thank you, my classmates and my friends. Although we've had quarrels and annoyance, but that's part of the journey. I thank you for making bad school days bearable. Thank you for being there in times of need. Thank you for the memories we've shared, making our school days much more enjoyable. Last but not the least, let us also thank and be inspired by our ates and kuyas who have been passing the board exams in their respective field. Let their achievements push us to continue to persevere and also to succeed. To those who are disappointed in themselves because they didn't get the honor they were after, please remember, your grades don't define the entire you. You're still important and loved and cherished by many, not because of your grades, but because of you as a gifted person. I know it's hard because of all the expectations, but you did your best, and that's all that matters. It's not the end of the world kung di naman nakasali sa mga awardees. May third quarter pa, kaya don't give up. Maturo tayong bumangon kahit maraming beses tayong madapa. Let's entrust our journey to God and enjoy the gift He has given us. Thank you, congratulations, and Merry Christmas as well.